Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can sell on TikTok Shop on both phone and PC. So to start with, you just want to go to Google and you want to type in TikTok Shop. Now once you've searched for that, you just want to look for this, shop.tiktok.com, and select it. And it will take you to this page here. Now on this page, it tells you a little bit more about TikTok Shop. As you can see, it provides 3 native ways to shop. It's live shopping, shoppable videos, and product showcase. So if you're already a seller on other platforms, it could be a really good idea to start selling on TikTok as another way to basically sell your products. Now there's actually a few different options for this. So you can set up your TikTok Shop as a seller, which will allow you to access their shop page and then actually sell products on that page. You can also sell as a creator, which typically means you've already got a big following and you can just promote people's products and then get a cut of what you're actually selling. And then you can also sell as a partner, which enables partners to facilitate a range of services from sellers and creators to help them grow on the platform. And the fourth and final option is affiliate, which basically gives creators a chance to collaborate with sellers on TikTok. So once you understand which one you are, you want to select that one. In most people's case, it's going to be seller. So I'm just going to use seller for this example, and we're going to click learn more. Now from here, it'll ask us where we're from, and I'm just going to select Europe since I'm from UK, and then select enter. And now from here, it will basically ask you to log in to your selling account. And if you don't have one, you can either sign in with your TikTok account down here, or you can just create an account up here. So once you've signed up for that, you will then have access to the TikTok Shop and you'll be able to sell your products on there and get an extra bit of profit. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please comment down below that helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.